Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install Node.js on your Ubuntu 24.4 server.
mivoCloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command.
The first method is using nvm. Use the following command to download and run the nvm installation script. Now use this command to reload your configuration file. The following command downloads and installs the latest LTS version of Node.js. By the way, you can use the promo code shown on the screen and in the description to get a 20% discount for free mouse on all virtual services on our website. To check the installed version, use the following command. This will verify your installed versions of both Node.js and npm. The second method is using apt packages. Use the following command to install the required basic utilities. This command creates a temporary environment variable and sets it to value 24. The next command download the GPG key and add the official repository to your system. Now update your package list and install Node.js using these commands. Finally, check the version once again to make sure everything is ready. That's it for the installation. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button so more people can find this guide. All the comments I used are in the pinned comment below. If you run into any errors or have a suggestion for the next tutorial, drop a comment and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching mivoCloud.